Cold and cough usually cures in 3-5 days, but these hidden mistakes stretch it for 10-12 days. Mistake 1. Temperature shock. Sudden changes irritate nasal lining. This triggers continuous sneezing and runny nose. Mistake 2. Low hydration equals thick mucus. Thick mucus equals more coughing. Dry throat irritation. Warm water helps thin mucus faster. Mistake 3. Self-medication. Unnecessary antibiotics. Wrong cough syrups. Mixing cold plus allergy syrups equals heavy drowsiness. When it gets serious, cough in 7 days. Fever returns after going down. Breathing difficulty. Chest pain while coughing. If cold turns into severe cough or fever, meet your physician. Early treatment prevents complications.